everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. This video is again a personal friend and a subscriber to the channel asked me to just start recording myself cooking dinner. So here we go. I'm making a hot dish for the family. I'm taking my sliced frozen vegetables. You can use fresh. You can use pretty much anything you want, but in here I have carrots and purple cauliflower and leeks and different kinds of sweet peppers. And then a pound of Zaycon Fresh 93.7 hamburger. Boom! And then I have lard from when I made bread about a half an hour ago. It started to re-solidify, but I had melted it like half an hour ago. So it's still good. Alright, we turn this on and we just let it all cook down and brown and get well done, and we'll be back. All of our meat has browned and all of our vegetables are good and cooked. So now we're going to add 4 cups of water. And a couple of big dollops of sour cream, because we're going to want a cheesy, thick, creamy hot dish. And actually, this is not going to be enough water. Whoops! Once we add our noodles. So, 6 cups of water, a couple dollops of sour cream. Get it all mixed in, and then we add our noodles and we let it cook. Put a cup of elbow and a cup of random mix. Mix it all up together. When all the noodles and all the meat are sitting underneath of the water nicely like that, that's when you know you've got about enough. And then we're just going to let all this cook together, and then we'll add our spices. We'll be back. Okay, we're about halfway through the cooking process. We're going to get all this mixed up. We might need to add a little bit more water. Nah, the noodles are cooking in good. Alright, we want about a teaspoon of salt. I have pink Himalayan sea salt. And then about a tablespoon, we kind of like slightly spicy goulash hot dish. So tablespoon taco seasoning, about a tablespoon garlic powder. Then we mix it all up. Smells wonderful. Now we need a little bit more. Tablespoon and a half. We really like our taco flavor, our spicy flavor. There we go. We're going to put the lid on it and let those noodles finish firming up, or softening up and cooking. We'll be back. Alright. Hey, looky there. I believe we are all done. Test our noodles. Yep, we're all done. We're going to turn it off and let it be. That's all there was to it. Simple, easy, quick, healthy, hamburger friendly. Around here we call it goulash, but you can make goulash in so many different ways. There you go. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope you learned something. Thank you for coming along. And remember, stay positive. Bye.